So today we're going to install Acorn Stairlift. It was actually really easy to remove. I have the chair and the motor upstairs because they are heavy as heck, but taking it apart wasn't really an issue at all. We're gonna put it up here along the side of these stairs. Here's the seat. This is the unit itself. Inside there are the gears. Okay, progress. Here's the 8-foot bar right there. So these come in two pieces usually. The bottom one is usually almost always 8 feet. And you'll notice how it's level right there. So that keeps a stable ground. And then you start mounting these brackets, which then bolt onto here and then into the stairs. Try and have 2 at each end, or sorry, 2 in total, 1 at each end. So there's the other one. And then you have this bar. There should be about 4.5 to 5 inches here sticking out. And it's connected with these nuts and bolts that go all the way through to tighten it. So those are used to keep it tight. Then you have this power cable here that goes between the two of them. We'll get to that in a moment. Now when you're connecting these two, you'll see here's the gears, or the shaft, not the shaft, whatever you would call that. And then you got your wiring down below. And you don't want the wiring to get pinched in here because these are gonna tighten up really close. So that's why you're gonna slide them up in there to make it safe. Oh, that's good. Okay, so the wires are good. They're not getting pinched. You may have to apply a little bit of force. That's the goal. You want it tight right there. Okay, now we're ready for the heavy piece, which is going to go up here. So this is sliding all the way down. Looks good. You can see the middle piece is right about there. And we should be good. Try not to cut your finger like I did, but I think we'll manage. Now my worry though is when I open this door, I might not have enough room. My helper just took off because he's lazy. Yep. So what happens is that there is a pin back there that this activates, and you got to make sure that all the pins line up. Then you got this here, which is your cable, which connects to this cable. Your key connects it to set the power. The power system is stupid because the power is actually all the way down there, but I'll figure that out. And now the only problem is going to be this. But I think I can figure that out too. Because I'm a big boy. I do big boy things. Moment of truth. Power. I've only got one bolt in here for now, in case I have to move it, but I think we're okay. Power. Key. Is there a switch on here? There it is. I don't know what that means. Oh, sweet. Now I did mess up on one spot where I forgot to run the power cables through the body of it. So now I have the power cable kind of running down the stairs with it. But it's working. Down we go. Ta-da! Yeah, it seems to be working okay. Holds my weight. I'm around 220 pounds. My mom weighs less than I do though, so this should work fine for her. There seems to be a bit of a gap right there, which scares the shit out of me, but I think I can tighten that up. And then here we are, down at the bottom. Honestly, if I can do it, anybody can do it because this is not my forte. You can install this stairlift all by yourself. You do not need to pay someone thousands of dollars to do it. You can find these things used all over the place. And they're just that easy to install. Basically, it sits up. This activates a switch, which then spins the seat. There it is. All done. It wasn't that hard.